Dear learners, welcome to MSBT online learning platform. We bring you the most relevant contents in a most attractive digital format for the course name Emerging Trends in Electronics with the course code 22636. Myself, Vaishali Rajeshirke, lecturer in EJ department from VS Polytechnic, Chembur, Mumbai. Now in this unit 2, recent electronic component, part B, here in part A, we have seen the lithium ion battery. Now we will focus in this presentation the type of second battery, that is a nuclear battery. So let's go through this contents of the presentation. First, we will see the introduction of a nuclear battery. Second, we will see the working principle of nuclear battery. And the third one will list some applications of nuclear battery. Now, what are the learning objective of this presentation? Here we will explain the concept of nuclear battery. Then we will also describe the working principle of nuclear battery. And the last, not the least, state the applications of the nuclear battery. Now let us see the working principle of nuclear battery. Here this image, the nuclear battery is this. It is a very compact and small size is there. So basically this nuclear batteries uses the radioactivity to generate the power instead of storing an amount of charge. Here we have a concept in our mind that battery is nothing but stores the amount of charge. But this nuclear battery is a different that whatever the battery we use in our normal day-to-day life. In this, the nuclear battery is also called as an atomic battery. It is also called as a tritium battery or radioisotope generator. Now this nuclear battery is a device which uses the energy from emission of radioactive isotope to generate the electricity. For example, the radioactive isotope, tritium isotope, these all are having the life, half of the life, that is 12 to 32 years, while the nickel 63 isotope has a half of life of 100 years, which shows that the nuclear batteries equipped with these isotopes can provide electricity for a longer period. So its life is very high as compared to the other battery. So this is one of the most unique feature of a nuclear battery, so that nowadays we prefer the nuclear battery for due to its long life. This battery generates the electricity from the nuclear energy. They do not use the chain reaction. As what is the chain reaction? The chain reaction is nothing but the sequence of reactions where reactive product or the byproduct causes an additional react to take place. In this nuclear battery, we are not using any chain reaction, as the chain reaction is a concept which is used in the nuclear reactors to generate the electricity from the nuclear energy. But in this, the nuclear batteries can work in a space as they do not depend on the solar energy. So these nuclear batteries, due to its compactness size and the longer life, it's the most versatile application that it is used in a space. Nuclear batteries use incredible amount of energy released naturally by the tiny bits of the radioactive material. So as we know that in nuclear batteries, it uses the radioactive isotope. So without any fusion taking place inside the battery. So in this nuclear battery, the chain reaction is not there. So this nuclear battery uses thin radioactive films that pack in energy at a densities thousands of times greater than those of the lithium ion batteries. So this could be one of the advantage you can quote in the nuclear battery is having a very high density, that it provides a very high voltage. At the same time, it provides a long life as compared to 1,000 times better than the lithium ion battery. Now when if you compare this with the chemical battery, the nuclear batteries has a very higher volumetric energy density. That's why, as we discussed, it has a longer life, and due to this high energy density, nuclear batteries comes in a very small size and stronger endurance in a harsh condition. So it can work in any harsh condition. So this radioactive isotope material required for this nuclear battery can be obtained from the radioactive waste of the nuclear fusion reaction from the nuclear reactor. So whatever the, due to this fusion, that in basic principle of chain reaction which is used in the nuclear reactor. So during that, whatever the waste is generated, so that waste is acts as a radioactive material to make here it is a nuclear battery. So that is, the nuclear batteries can also be useful for the disposal of waste of the nuclear reactor. So whatever the waste is created from the nuclear reactor, so that waste is used as a material for here it is a nuclear battery. So thus, in another way, we can quote that this nuclear battery will help to dispose the waste of a nuclear reactor. So these are the features of the nuclear batteries. So as it is a compact, so very small size, reliable, light in weight and has a long life. So wherever we seen the application of these nuclear batteries in a space. So in a space, whatever the battery we use, that should be in the light in weight and it should have a long life. So that is one of the most important feature of a nuclear battery. So it can work in a space at extremely low and a high temperature variation. These are the applications of the nuclear battery. So due to its long life and small size, light in weight, this is most probable application and most important application, preferably in a space. It can be used in the medical applications like in the cardiac pacemakers, automobiles, underwater sea probes and the sea sensors, used in coal mines and polar sensor applications, and along with this it can be used for powering the MEM devices like in optical switches and the smart dust sensors. So these are the various applications of the nuclear battery. Now here is the time reflection spot. So now solve the set 2 MCQ given in the assessment template. So let us take a pause, stop, attempt the set 2 MCQ based on the learned concept of the nuclear battery. Now let's go for the hands-on session. Attempt the set 2 MCQ. Now sure, after attempting the set 2 MCQ, at the end of this presentation, the students will be able to describe the working principle of nuclear battery, state the features of nuclear battery, and along with state the application of nuclear battery. Thank you.